How to extract the substring between two markers. Let's say I have a string gf to 1234 then I want to extract just the 1234 part. I only know what will be the few characters directly before AAA, and after Z the part I am interested in 1234. With set it is possible to do something like this with a string. And this will give me 1234 as a result. How to do the same thing in Python.
Using regular expressions, documentation for further reference. Or then you can use regex with the re module as well, if you want, but that's not necessary in your case.
Regular expression. The above is will fail with an attribute error if there are no AAA and Z in your underscore text. String methods. The above will return an empty string if either AAA or Z don't exist in your underscore text. PS Python challenge.
Surprised that nobody has mentioned this, which is my quick version for one-off scripts.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.